My name's Jordan Riggs, and this is my homework for DOS. So the goal of this was to design a 2x1 multiplexer. You want to make each input 4 bits wide. You had to use the multiplexer to create a problem in the systems for performing 4 different operations. So 4 different operations did addition, subtraction, and an OR. And then with that, you want to create a test branch that sends data to input 1 and 2. So the figure below, this is kind of an example of how it gave us, and we had to write our own VHDL code, right? So these are the directions with it, and then he has the points deduction for it. So in my code, this is my mux. So I named my mux, declared it, the inputs for it, the A, B, C, and D, and then the select to let you know what operation you're gonna use when it going. So it's gonna be, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then it's the output for the mux. So I have my code right here. So then the mux has the simple mux of the 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And then when others, it goes back to the default case. So in the process. So then after this, I go to my operations. So my operations, I have operation 1 and 2. You could do input 1 or input 2. I just did 1 and 2. Then my select. Then I referred back to the components. So I have the component mux that I have in the previous one that I selected. But I had to do a signal to show what type of things that I'm adding. So, add, subtract, and or as I mentioned. So down here, describing on what those operations are. And I can only do that by listing it up here with arithmetic and unsigned, or the code won't compile. Then I have my port map. So now I have A, B, C, and D. In the mux will now transfer to the new components that I have listed. So that's nice. Then we go to the test branch. So my test branch starts up with my new signals that I'm naming again. Have them 1, 2, this new select, port map from the old, and then I'm starting my cases. So my first case is addition. 1 is 5 and 4. So 5 plus 4 should assert me and report me 9. So I have my code here, inputs 1, inputs 2, select result, and then inputs 9 right here. So then the same thing with the subtraction, right? 5 minus 2 should give me 3, which is 3 right here. And then I chose 5 and 6. 5 and 6, when you and them together, it'd be 0, 1, 0, 0. So that's right there. And then or the bits together. I just did 5 and 2, so it's a little different. Then I have B 0, 1, 1, 1. And then, expected here. And then you wait and you end. So now transition into the wave. I ran the simulation. Here are my simulation bits. And then when we get here, you see my J test branch. The things match up to where I'm going. So 5 plus 4 is 9, as you see. And then 2, and then is 3, and then the and yeah. So this is my simulation. Thank you.